Lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your one and only girl, Mama Ate. On today's video, we'll be doing a 10-minute get ready with me acting like the one and only supermodel, superstar Naomi Campbell. If this looks like what you want to see to the end, let's dive into the video. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be acting like the one and only supermodel Naomi Campbell. Starting off with my skin prep, I started with the moisturizer and then I'm moving on to the vitamin C face serum. I like to blend this in properly. Like I said, on today's video, I'm acting like Naomi Campbell. She does all of her skin prep before moving to foundation. Primer right here. It also gives a dewy finish. I'm going in with my lip balm. I use the lip balm from Oriflame. She's a big fan of NARS foundation. So I'm moving into NARS foundation. And she loves her highlights to really pop because as a supermodel, her highlight needs to pop, her cheekbone, her contour needs to be. She loves her highlight to be sharp and her contour to also be sharp. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. The concentration on this makeup is more on the highlight and contour. So I'm just going to blend that in properly. It looks like it's too much for me, but in it, like I said, I'm acting like Naomi Campbell, and what she does more is concentrating on her highlight and on her contour. So I'm just using a setting powder to set that in properly. And then when going in with a setting powder, you want to blend the excesses at the back of your hand before just placing it on your face, so it doesn't look too much, it doesn't cake. When you have your powder, place the excesses at the back of your hand and then just blend that in, press on your skin, and you are good to go. Next, I'll be moving on to using that same beauty sponge to just blend my entire face without using any face powder yet. And then I'm going in with this CoverGirl as my contour powder. I'll just blend that in. This brush is one of my oldest brushes. It's from the Nuban Beauty. I like this brush and I usually use it for contour. And then I'm going in with my eyeshadow base. Naomi Campbell usually love her eyes to be nude and natural. So I'm using this shade of bronzer from the Makeup Revolution Glow Palettes. Are you surprised? Yes, that's what I actually use. And then I'm going in with this black shade from the Blossom eyeshadow to just smoking my eyelid, my lashes, and the outer corner of my eyes, just to make my eyes a bit large and sexy. And then I'll just smoke that properly. And then I use the same eyeshadow to just blend smoke under my eyes, but then I use a different color. Lashes, I did my lashes off camera. Then I'm going in with this lip pencil from Tara, and then I'm just lining my lip. Moving on to using my lipstick from the MAC Cosmetics, one of my favorite pink shades of lipstick. Blend that properly. Yes, I'm going back to the Glow palette. I want to use the shade over there to apply on my tear dots, just to make my eyes a little bit larger, sexy, and more pretty. And then I'll be moving on to my glow, the areas where I want my cheekbone, the highest point of my cheekbone, the areas that I really want to glow. Those are the areas I highlighted. And then I'm moving on to my lip gloss. What I would do for you. Love the brows to be feathers and not so defined. I hope you like it, guys. What do you guys think? Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Tell your friends about Mama's Ate. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay happy, remain positive, smile often, and bye, guys.